The Ministry of Education has kicked off Education Month 2025 with a fun and flavorful start, a baking competition at the Better for Acting Practical Instructional Center. The event, called What's in the Oven, is the first of its kind, organized by the Ministry's Edu-FM department. Minister of Education Sonia Parag officially opened the competition today. She reminded students that while academics are important, technical skills like baking and other vocational training are vital.
Academics is knowing. Academics is where you have people striving for all the time, but you're seeing a growing interest in technical skills. You're seeing a growing participation, and you're seeing a growing investment in technical training. And technical training for me is like a rubber band. It's like elastic. It gives you that leverage to make sure that you can not only learn one skill, but you can learn more skills. And it equips you as an all-rounder, even if you want to be an academic.
The competition features 3 Caribbean Secondary Examination Certificate Food, Nutrition and Health students from Queen's College and the Christiansburg Wismar and West Demerara Secondary Schools, respectively. It is the first of activities on the Ministry's calendar in observance of Education Month 2025, themed Quality Education for National Development.